everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the PhalaWorld Spirit NFT free minting, and also I will show you how you can get the Phala, because in order to claim that, you have to get some Phala. So if you are new to the channel, this is Web3 Education Investment, and I'm going to share my personal experience for educational purpose. So the PhalaWorld, they just released that this is the public minting. Everyone can mint. In my video, like I posted a few days ago, I'm the early tester, so I already mint my Spirit NFT, and I have the tutorial. Now everyone can do that, and everything you need to know is here in the Medium, and they have the tutorial actually to show you how to do that. So I'm not going to go over that again, but you can just go to the link, and since I already mint that, you can see I have the account whitelisted, and also I'm the 94 awakened. And so that's one thing, like if you are new, you probably have no PHA, no Phala token. And in order to get the token, you have different ways. You can buy that in the centralized exchanges, or you can get that from Karura, which is the platform here in it's a kinda in KSM. So I'm going to show you how you can use Karura and swap the KAR to get the Phala token. It's a little bit tricky actually. It's not that straightforward. So hopefully this video would be helpful. First of all, if you go to the Karura and connect to your wallet, I already have some KAR token. If you don't, you can swap KSM to that as well. So now I'm going to show you now. Go to the swap. You can choose the Karura, right? So you can choose a token, and then the Phala is here, so you can see that my balance of Phala is 0 right now. And so this one is actually on the Karura parachain, so I don't have any Phala token on that chain. So I would just swap a little bit. I would just show you. So I will swap maybe just one Karura, so I will get some Phala token. This is just as a demo, so I would just swap a little bit. Okay, and so what you need to do is just click the button and wait. Once you swap that, some of you may guess, okay, let's go to the JS wallet, right? So I go to my JS wallet. So this is the same account connected to the Karura. I go to the JS wallet, I click account. As you can see, it's 0, like there's no Phala token. So this one is successful, and I can see the balance here. But the JS wallet actually here, you still didn't see the Phala token. So don't be panic. First of all, this Phala token is still on Karura. You can go to your home page, and then you can see that. Where is the Phala token? Okay, so here is still 0, right? You can go to the bridge, and then from the Karura, you can bridge some to the Kana chain. So let's see. Let's refresh and try that again. Okay. We need to wait a little bit, I guess. So that's tricky. So now it didn't show up. Let's try to bridge that. We'll bridge from the not here, from the Karura, right? Yeah, so here from the Karura. So now you can see the amount now is showing up. So you do need to wait a little bit. And now this FANA token is still on the Karura parallel chain. So you need to bridge that. You have to transfer that to the Kana chain. So I will just do the transfer, sign that. So now there will be a token 4.63. It will be transferred to your FANA chain. And even you transfer that, it's still not showing up on the JS wallet. So that's one of the tricky part. It will not show up here. I think they probably will fix that in the future. So you can see that I successfully transferred that. Where is the token? So the token, to see that, you have to go to the FANA network, use their app. So use their app, connect to your address. You can see the token here. So I have almost 50 FANA token now. So including 4 or 5 of them just transferred, and also like around 45 I already have. So it's around $5. So this is how you can transfer, how you can get the FANA token. Not that straightforward. So now you get the FANA token, you can go to the Spirit. I believe you need to have at least 10 FANA token in order to claim the Soulbound Spirit NFT. So now I already have that, so I don't need to do anything. But if you don't, you need to first swap and get 10 FANA token. Alright, and so that's all about today's video. Overall, just share the news about the PhalaWorld Spirit NFT minting, and also show you how you can swap in Karura and get the FANA token. Thanks for watching. Bye.